Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do like a summertime orangey glow kind of a look. This is the look that I came up with. It is using oranges, a little bit of gold in the front. For the lips, it's just one of these NYC crayon lip jumbo pencil things. Very moisturizing, very perfect for the summer, very low-key, kind of like if I had a tan this would be popping, but right now I have no tan. So this is how it looks, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Oh wait, girl. So the winner to my giveaway will be I'm gonna put it here because I know I'm gonna butcher it, but I'm gonna put it right here. Congratulations. I think it's iliaRondon. The giveaway is closed, and the winner I'm gonna put here, hopefully I'm saying it correctly, it's iliaRondon. So Ilia, if you can reach out to me, send me your address, I can send out your package, or inbox me, snap me, whatever you want to do. Here you have a week to respond. After that I'll be picking someone else. And yeah, so congratulations. Let's see if we can hit 800 so that my next package can go out. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. how it looks. And I was going for like a summertime orangey kind of a look, a little bit of gold on the corners, you know, maybe a little bit of gold in the highlight. I did want to do like an orangey lip, but not like a bold orange. A lot of the oranges make my teeth look yellow. So this is how it looks. Now you don't have to do the wing liner. You can just do this on its own with some lashes. I think that will also look beautiful. But I haven't been wearing wing liner for a couple of days. But I wanted to wear it, and this is the look. And I like it. Now, I don't know why I'm wearing blue, but I think it's a beautiful summer look. It's a beautiful, like, tropical kind of a look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.